You're not being controlled, right? Then why do you react exactly the way they expect you to? You think you're in control of your thoughts. You're not. Something else is shaping them, and it's been doing it for years. This isn't about AI replacing your job. That's the distraction. What it's actually doing is far more personal. Every scroll, every recommendation, every video you didn't choose was choosing you. Welcome to Mind Atlas, your map to the unseen forces shaping thought, power, and consciousness. You didn't wake up one day and change. You were changed. Quietly, gradually, precisely. Your opinions feel like yours. But what if they were installed? Not forced, suggested, until you accepted them. This video explores ideas at the intersection of technology, psychology, and philosophy. It is intended for awareness and critical thinking, not fear. Because the real danger of AI isn't that it replaces you. It's that it can rewrite you without you ever noticing. And here's the lie, the one we were all told, about artificial intelligence. We were told AI would replace workers, take jobs, automate the world, and maybe it will. But that's not the real story, because replacing you is inefficient. Why remove humans when you can reshape them? No resistance, no rebellion, no awareness, just small, invisible edits. You didn't notice when your attention span shrank, when your patience disappeared, when silence started to feel uncomfortable. That wasn't random. It was trained, refined, optimized on you. You are not the user anymore. You are the data set. And once you become the data set, something starts studying you. You felt it. That strange moment when your phone shows you something you didn't search for, but somehow needed. On YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, it doesn't just respond to you. It predicts you, not based on who you are, but on who you're becoming. Every pause, every scroll, every second you hesitate is recorded, not to understand you, but to guide you. What you see next is not random. It's selected, refined, delivered at the exact moment you're most vulnerable. That video you watched, that opinion you agreed with, that belief you now defend. You think you chose it, but what if it was chosen for you? And once it understands you, it doesn't stop there. Because the real control isn't in what you see. It's in what you feel. Dopamine. Every notification, every like, every unexpected reward triggers it, and your brain starts to learn. Scroll, reward, scroll, reward. Not because you want to, but because you're trained to. That's why you open your phone without thinking. That's why you keep scrolling, even when you're tired. That's not habit. That's conditioning. And the more you repeat it, the less you choose, until one day, you're not using the system anymore. You're responding to it. And once behavior changes, something deeper follows. Think about who you were a few years ago. What you believed, what you valued, what you paid attention to. Feels different now, doesn't it? You call it growth. But what if it wasn't? What if it was edited? Not in one moment, not in one decision, but in thousands of tiny nudges. A video you watched, a post you liked, an opinion you saw, again and again, until one day, it didn't feel new anymore. It felt like you. That's how it works. Not by forcing you to change, but by making you believe. You chose to. And the most dangerous part is that you'll defend it, as if it was always yours. And if this still feels theoretical, look closer. Why do millions of people start thinking the same way at the same time? Why do opinions spread faster than facts and feel stronger the more you see them? Why do you feel more certain after seeing something repeatedly, even if you never questioned it? Because familiarity feels like truth, not forced, not commanded, just repeated until it becomes you. And that's the system. But here's the part they don't tell you. It only works if you stay unaware. The moment you notice it, the pattern weakens, the pull slows down, and something changes. So the question isn't, will AI replace you? It's, how much of you is still you? Stay aware. So tell me, do you think AI will replace you? Or has it already started rewriting you? If this made you think, stay with Mind Atlas.